Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II offers improvements over its predecessor, making it more comfortable for shooting while maintaining its compact size and capable performance. The G7X II is built around a 1-inch type CMOS sensor, giving it better image quality than a small sensor compact camera or a smartphone. The built-in lens is a fast f1.8 to 2.8 24 to 100mm zoom, providing a lot of reach and decent low-light capabilities in a small package. The tilting touchscreen LCD makes it easy to set up and take your shots from any angle, making it ideal for selfies or street photography. The image quality, especially color rendition, is excellent on the G7X II. Its fast burst shooting enables you to capture the action. The grip is comfortable in the hand, and the control ring around the lens can be set to smooth or clicky, making it useful for both photo and video shooting. Our criticisms of the G7X II are a relatively disappointing battery life and slightly mushy fine details in JPEGs. Overall, the Canon G7X II is a well-designed enthusiast compact camera that can capture good quality photos and videos. This pocketable camera is a significant improvement over its predecessor and sits near the top of its class.
The Sony Alpha 7R3 is the company's latest high-resolution, full-frame mirrorless camera. Faster processing allows it to shoot its 42.4 megapixel images at 10 frames a second. The camera's body is essentially that of the sports-oriented A9, which means it gains an AF joystick and a new battery with over twice the capacity of its predecessor. There are also dual USB ports, including a USB 3.1 socket with Type-C connector that can be used for both charging and tethered shooting. Autofocus algorithms from the A9 model mean more consistent focus and improved subject tracking, even in low light. In addition to the AF joystick, the camera also has a touchscreen that can be used to position the AF point, even when the camera is to your eye. Other handling improvements include more control over customization, a dedicated AF on button, and a button for protecting or rating your images after you've shot them. The camera's in-body stabilization has also been improved, and now offers 5.5 stops of stabilization. Meanwhile, the shutter has been redesigned to reduce the risk of shake and ensure the sharpness of your images. Like the version 2, the A7R III shoots highly detailed, oversampled 4K video from a Super 35-sized region of its sensor. It can shoot using the S-Log2 or 3 gamma curves, but also gains hybrid log gamma for shooting ready-to-view high dynamic range video. Video autofocus has also been improved. These are just the biggest changes made in the A7R Mark III.
Here's what you need to know to get started with the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. In the box, you'll find the camera, a battery, charger, strap, a software disk, a cable protector, a USB cable, iCup, and a hefty user manual. We'll walk you through setup and recommend some accessories that will help you get the most out of this camera. Once you've done the basics to get your camera ready to go, let's dive in. If your camera didn't come with a lens, the 24-105mm f4 zoom is a good one. It covers a useful focal length range for everyday photography. If you want the best possible results, Canon's 24-70mm f2.8 is more expensive, but it delivers superb images. We recommend buying extra batteries for your camera. Next, let's get image quality settings dialed in. The 5D Mark IV offers a significant bump in resolution compared to the Mark III. To make the most of those extra pixels, we recommend shooting in RAW mode. Shooting in live view is a great way to take advantage of Canon's dual pixel autofocus system, especially if you're shooting portraits at wide apertures where focus can be difficult. The 5D Mark IV is also Canon's first full-frame camera that offers continuous autofocus for shooting stills in live view mode. Face detection is impressive, and you can use the joystick to easily switch between faces in live view, or tap on a face to set focus. Setting focus in any mode is easy using the rear touchscreen, and the 5D Mark IV can even track moving subjects during video recording. And since it shoots 4K, you can extract still images from 4K video using a simple on-screen interface.